At System360, we help businesses stay connected, seamlessly and efficiently. But what happens when your VoIP phone system suddenly stops working as it should? VoIP systems are powerful tools for modern communication. But like any technology, they can face issues that interrupt your workflow. Here are some of the most common VoIP problems users experience. Dropped calls, no audio or one-way audio, poor call quality, registration failures, and annoying echoes or delays. Let's look at what causes these problems, and how System360 helps solve them. When calls sound choppy or distorted, it's usually due to network congestion or limited bandwidth. The solution? Prioritize VoIP traffic with quality of service settings and ensure a stable internet connection. One-way audio or no sound at all often means firewall or NAT settings are blocking audio packets. System360's network experts correctly configure SIP and RTP ports, ensuring clear, two-way communication. When your VoIP phone says registration failed, it may be caused by DNS issues, wrong credentials, or SIP server downtime. Our technicians identify and fix these issues quickly, minimizing downtime and restoring full functionality. Echoes and delays during calls are usually caused by network latency or poor quality headsets. System360 optimizes your VoIP setup and network performance to eliminate these distractions. At System360, we don't just fix problems, we prevent them. Our VoIP specialists monitor your network proactively, apply advanced diagnostics, and provide 24/7 expert support. We ensure your business communication stays reliable, clear, and professional. Experience uninterrupted communication with System360's VoIP solutions. Call us today or visit system360.net to learn more. System360, technology simplified.